Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to speed this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to open security application. Let me do it once again. So you just open it. It will automatically scan your device for things that could be optimized, that could be fixed, and something like that. Everything that could be made better on your device will be checked for itself. Then you just tap on the optimize button and it will automatically check and fix system security, clear cache, optimize security, and make your device feel better overall. You can also perform a deep clean of some cache files and other unwanted memory junks. Make a cleanup in order to slightly speed your device up too. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.